Where did we go yesterday?
We went to the zoo.
The zoo?
Yeah, I call it the zoo.
We went to the museum. Yesterday we went into San Antonio to take this little one and her sisters to the zoo, to the museum, and you got me doing it now. So we went to the museum, and while we were there, my dad looked on Craigslist and he found some free leather. It's a lot of leather. So now we're gonna go feed the cows. Hey Samantha, do you know where leather comes from?
No.
No, me neither. I got all the leather moved into the shed, but now I really want to try something with it. I made wristbands, I've made wallets. I want to try something a little bit different. I want to make sandals. First things first, I'm going to go ahead and step on this, get kind of a general outline of my foot. Try not to get too much Sharpie on my toes. Cut there. I got one. Alright, starting to look like shoes already. Going along that line, this is going to be the width of these straps, and it's resting right around under my toe knuckles. Okay, set it down, got a little happy face, take it, go across like that, fasten these together, and I've got the start of a shoe. Wow, I couldn't imagine getting tired of walking in these. These are great. Look how happy my fit is. And this should add a little bit more stability, and hopefully it'll hold its shape a little better. Wow, okay, I can definitely feel a lot more texture. Ow, ow, ow. These shoes are awful, they have no sole. It's bad. I'm gonna have to add one. I've got some rubber mat here. I'm just gonna go ahead and trace around it. And right off the bat, this just feels better to stand on. It's a lot more cushy. Ooh, yeah, okay. Right off the bat, that's not gonna work. Staples were a dumb idea. But if I can find a way to fasten the sole to the shoe, which probably the best method would just be to get some shoe glue from Walmart, I have some pretty nice leather sandals here.